Okay, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to get output from R into Word and also how to do equations in Word. So first of all I'm going to read some data in. So I'm going to read in the Woods data. Now, the first thing is I produce a table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the aggregate function. I'm going to look at loss on preservative. The data is wood and we'll get the mean. So there you can see the results. We've got preservative, we've got high and low, and this is the mean loss in each one. So to get this into a table, the easiest way I found is that we're going to save this as an object and then look at that object and then copy it. So let's call this tab, short for table. Run it again. Now if we look in our workspace, we've got tab. I click on tab, it shows my little table. What I do now is I highlight all of it. I go edit, copy, and I go to Word, and I go edit, paste. And there you are, there's your table, all ready to go. What about if I wanted to do a plot? So let's do a histogram. So hist of Word, or even better, let's do a side by side. So we go plot of loss on preservative the data is wood, and there we are, we've got side by side box plots. Excellent. So how can I get that into it? Well, if I click on export, copy plot to clipboard, check that I'm happy with that, I can change the width and the height and the stuff, etc. Then I click copy plot, and I go to Word, and I go edit, paste, and there's my plot. And with things like this, we can, with my table, I can highlight my table, and I go insert, caption, table, means for wood data. Click OK. Now put a caption on there. With this, I can highlight it. I go insert, caption. This is now figure. We're going to call it box plot of loss against preservative. There we are. So there's my plots, there's my tables. Now, what about if I want to do equations? Well, in this particular form of Word, I go insert, equation. So let's type equation here. So I'm going to do the sample mean. So we come up here, and first of all, we want an accent because we're going to do X bar. Choose one that's X bar. And then we're going to click and put X equals. Equals. Now I need a fraction. So a fraction. I'm going to click in there. We've got 1 on n. Now we're going to use summation. Let's choose that one. That's nice. So we're going to go from I equals 1 up to n. Here we're going to have to do a subscript. So subscript, and it's going to be x I. There we are. There's your equation. So we've got tables, plots, equations, all done. Bye.